This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to add headers and footers in Apple Pages, the Pages app on Apple. So I'm right here on this is just a blank document. I'm within Pages, as you can see right here. So this is a blank document open right here. So as we kind of hover around this blank document, we'll see these three boxes right here. So we need to actually enable headers and footers. So I have by default I have format open here. Now what you'll want to do is you want to come over to document, which is in the top right. So we click on document, and then by default these are actually clicked, so they're actually checked, these checkboxes, so the header and footer, which is why you can see these three boxes right here. Now you might be in a situation where these are actually not on, and you'll see, obviously you can't see them when I'm hovering over here, you can't actually see those header and footer boxes. So what we need to do, if you're in that situation, you will click on document, and then you will check these checkboxes right here for header and footer if you want both. You can actually change the size of them right here just by changing these, manipulating these boxes right here. Now what that will enable you to do now, as we hover over, if we click into one of them, we get the insert page number option there. So say you wanted a page number in the footer right here. You don't have to just do page numbers, you can do other things, but this just has a simple option, and it's what a lot of people will be watching this video in order to do, to actually get page numbers on there. So you can click there and you have your different options. So you can do one of one, you can have it listed as page one, or maybe you just want one like that. So it's as simple as that. So you're going to come into document, and if they are not on, you're going to check them, and you can add your page numbers and whatever you need to do right here. So that was a short video on how to add headers and footers to Apple Pages, to the Pages app on Apple products. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.